And turning now to the deadly mass shooting on Pittsburgh's north side.
At 10 o'clock this morning, Pittsburgh City Council will introduce legislation targeting short-term rentals like Airbnbs where the mass shooting took place Easter morning.
Lindsay Ward joins us live in the studio with what that legislation says. Good morning, Lindsay.
Good morning to you both. Local leaders have responded to this shooting and have shown sadness and anger, saying something needs to change. And today they'll be talking about legislation that will impact short-term rental properties. So if passed, property owners looking to rent would need a business license and a short-term rental license. That rental license would be good for a year. The measure would also require a daily register of all guests. This major move is in response to the horrific shooting that took place Sunday, which killed 2 young boys and injured 8 others. This was during a party at an Airbnb rental unit in the city's Allegheny East neighborhood. One teenager who was invited to the Airbnb party but did not go said it was supposed to be a big spring break celebration. Word of the party quickly spread on social media. Police said more than 200 people, most of them underage, were packed inside the Airbnb when around 50 shots were fired inside and outside of the party. At this point, it is still unclear who organized that large gathering, and right now police are still searching for multiple suspects. No one has been arrested yet. Heather?